This is for Charlie and family. This is called From the Station to the Church. Late-night conversations. The way out of here is the railway station, but the airport bar was as far as the story got. And I wish I'd read the last page first. I'm patient and doctor, but I need a nurse between the fridge and the bed. The gun and light went off. From the station to the church, we're under the same stars. All the avenues and alleyways lead back to where we are. Morning calls, you're sick in the shower, you're late for school, but that was years ago. Through the slush and the snow, you're full. And I wish I'd lived the right way round, not walking in circles and upside down. The part in between was like a bad dream with all. From the station to the church, we are under the same stars. All the avenues and alleyways lead back to where we are. Station to the church, we're under the same stars. Oh, the avenues and alleyways lead back to where we are. From the station to the church, we're under the same stars. Oh, the avenues and alleyways lead back to where we are. Thanks very much. You like the shadows?